So today, guys, I'm going to be showing you how to make a copy of a key using your flipperzero, how to get like the key code off of that, and then a website that you can use to make a code to do like 3D print your own house keys or a copy of a key that you find. So with that, we'll go ahead and jump right in. But if you're new here, please hit that like and subscribe button. All right, so we're going to start here on the website. It's lab.flipper.net.apps. So this is where you can get like officially licensed Flipper apps from them directly. There's also a bunch of stuff you can download off of GitHub from different repositories. But what we're going to look for is an app. It's called Key Copier. Pop up here. And I've already have this installed. That's why it says installed here. So if you go to this website, you will have to have your flipperzero plugged in for it to recognize it so that you can install straight from here to your flipper. You can also do this through the mobile app from like your phone doing Bluetooth to the flipper. You can download apps from there and it'll install them for you. So, but we see, already have this on here. So, here in just a second, I'll show you going through the steps here on the phone. So, hang on just a second. Okay, so on your flipperzero with the key copier, download it. We're going to skip over here. We'll go to Tools. Then we're going to select Key Copier. We're going to select key format. The key I have is a quickset, which is right at the top of the list. This also has Slage, Arrow, Master Lock, American, Yale, Sergeant National, or there's a bunch on here, even like Ford, Chevrolet that you'll see. So those come built into this when you download it. You can get this from Flipper's app repository, which I'll show you guys that too. Select key format. We're going to do quickset. KW1 is the only option you have. Click it. Okay, then you're going to see this set of lines. And so what you do is you're going to take your key and you're going to line up the edge of the key with the line that's here at the edge. Like this line is going to line up with the edge of your key. So once you do that, you're going to see how this arrow is pointing to this number. You're going to click it until this box drops down to match the key indentation there. So we're going to hit down. Okay. So that's a 3. Go to the next one. Okay. Looks like 3 on that one as well. Next one, 2 looks good. The next one, 1 looks good. And then on our last one, it looks like it's kind of far down. So let's go 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. So for this key, the code for the key code is 33215. Trying to see if I can show you guys here on camera so it lines up better for you to see it. So you see how the indentions go in with the numbers to make the copy of the key. So I'll get that out of the way and see. Some keys have the code on, like this one does here as well. Zoom in here if I can. So and you'll see on the key itself it has 33215, which is the same key code that we have here. It was 33215. So I'll show you what you can do with this code. Get back on the computer here. Okay, as you've seen there, we done a copy of that quickset key that I have there, and it gave me the code that was on there. And I believe it was 33215, which was what was on the key there as well. So you're probably asking yourself, well, what can we do with this code? How can we use this? So there's a website that's called keygen.co. And you can go in here and you can pick whatever key that you use to find with your flipperzero. It has Slage and Quickset. So we done Quickset. Outline was the KW1. Wording is the same. I don't think there's any other. Yeah, that's the only drop downs they have for that. So in the beginning, what you'll do is you'll type in that code that you got from your flipper, which in our case was 33215. And then you're going to hit generate. So what this does, it tells you here, it's going to make a file for you to pull it into your 3D printer. Your 3D printer to print this key that you've put the code in for. So you hit generate. Take just a second on this. Okay. So here it has what the key will kind of look like. It's wanting you to download STL, which is the file for your 3D printer so that you could print this key out. So you can do this with a physical key. Also, this has been done with a picture of a key, as long as you can kind of scale it up to size what you can see with a flipperzero in order to make the adjustments to get the right code in. But just want to put this out here for you guys to see and see that it is possible to copy keys using your flipperzero. Thank you guys for watching.